Hey friends, let me tell you a small friendship story of my own. My cousin sister was getting married and we were going to attend a wedding ceremony of her. We chose bus this time. We had to catch bus which comes at 7 am in the morning. But we got just 5 minutes late at the bus station and we missed that bus. We had to wait for quite a long time because the next bus was at around 8 am. But eventually we caught the bus and we got in. And a girl was sitting beside me. We talked to each other, some basic questions about educations, about life, and gradually we both were lost in chit-chatting. It was like we are best friends from very long time. We talked about too many stuffs. We were just enjoying. When I was feeling nauseous, I saw she was so carey. She was offering me some stuffs and she was so real. I saw a real friend in her and we exchanged our numbers and now she is my contact list and she is my real friend. And it is a small friendship story teach us that such a small talks may lead a bigger conversation. And it is so difficult to find such a people in these days.